It's not up here like what we're conditioned to believe, pros and cons and logic. It's literally in our bodies. Our bodies will let us know whether something is aligned for us or not in that moment. So I encourage you this week to lead one's self. Because in this time, and I'm talking about like the actual times and also the transit times, we have 63 and 64 in our Sun and Earth gates right now. So a lot of confusion in the air. You're probably gonna hear a bunch of people asking for advice, giving advice that sounds confused. Like, just lead oneself in this time of confusion and doubt. That's what 63. Doubt and skepticism. When the world is literally filled with noise, it becomes imperative to lead oneself.